Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special treat. I am doing an unboxing for a company called Your Creative Studio. I've done quite a few unboxings for them over the years, but it's been a hot minute. And they've revamped their website and asked me to showcase one of their boxes. This is called Vintage Train Travel Set, and I'm going to show you everything in it. So you get it just like this. And what has changed in their way of doing business is they used to do a monthly curation of a special theme every month. Now, what they are doing is they are selling past boxes. So if you've missed out on any past boxes, they are on their website, which I'll provide you the link. But instead of launching a new box every month, they're releasing collections every few months. So this is the Vintage Train one. I'll leave the link to this box. And in my next video, I am going to do a craft with me. This one and anything on their website, you can get 10% off using my link, which I'll put in the description box below, or just simply putting House of Jane 10 in the when you check out. But I'll leave you the link and all the details down below. So this is all the lovely things in the box. I did take a little quickie peek at a few things, but I decided, let me stop and do a full conventional unboxing. I think you're going to love everything here. So I'm going to put this off to the side. And I have two envelopes here, which contain washi tape. I did take a quick peek at this one, and it is very pretty. Which I also thought was really cool is that the little picture right here on the little label is the actual picture of the washi tape. So I thought that was unusual. I don't know if I ever noticed that before, but this is the tape. And I've always really loved, well, I love washi tape in general, but I always loved the way they used washi tape in their collections and how it's very appropriate. So that's the first washi. And this one, there's a little picture of it, but I did not open this. And let's go take a look. Okay, get your vintagey colors. This is the train travel theme. Very pretty. So we got two washis to start. Okay, I'm going to see what else is in this box. I know on top here are a set of stamps with the train theme. I did take a peek at some of them, but I will show you everything. The first envelope contains this stamp of a locomotive. Beautiful. And this envelope is a bigger one. And then this one, I think we have two smaller ones in here. We have like little tickets and around just a train stamp. So a lot of these have protective coatings on top, and these are coming off quite easily. If you want, you can fiddle with this plastic right here, peel it off, stick it on a block, and then use the stamp that way. But truthfully, I have a hard time getting this coating off this little plastic on here to get this sticky part to stick on a block. So I just use these with my hands and my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some scrap paper. I have paper. Okay, I just grabbed some paper. And what's great about these is you can make your own ephemera. So let's see what this one looks like. I'm using my favorite VersaFine Clair black, and I just simply press it down like so. I just find it easier than sticking it to a block. and they came out very pretty. Do the other ones so you can see them. I hope to do a craft with me video this week with all the items in the box. Well, not all, but a lot of them. And that way I can show you the fun things you can do. I think it would be really cool to do a travel journal using the items in this box, especially if you're going on a vacation and you want to carry something with you. You can pre-stamp, you can pre-decorate some pages. There's the next one. Now I'm just stamping on the fly, so it's not perfect. A lot of imperfections I do go in later on. If I don't particularly like how I stamp something and I just fix it with a black pen, I do that constantly. And let's see what this one looks like. I don't know. I kind of moved a little bit, so but we'll see if this one comes out good. Oh, it did. Came out very nice. Very nice. And then I have this one right here. I think I can fit it in that. I can fit it in this corner. And then what I probably do is just cut this out because I like the paper that it's on. Not bad, not bad. So those are the stamps. Beautiful. And I have no train stamps in my collection, so if you know anything about me, I love stamping. I just love it. I think you can create so many pretty things. Okay, I've been dying to know what's in here. It's sealed. Let's get it open. I love getting curated boxes. It takes the guesswork out of picking things. So on their new website, they have collections you can buy and also one-offs that you can buy of stickers, paper, stamps. It's really, it's really nice. Their whole website has been redesigned. Let's see what this is. I don't know if it's paper or stickers. Oh, I love these little books. Oh, nice. These are stickers and they look like postage stamps. How pretty that is. Oh my. This would be so cool in a travel journal. Very nice. Love it, love it. Okay, what else we got? Been wanting to see what this is. It says globe map. Love little paper packages. There we go. Ooh, it's a pad of just maps. Just maps. So you can do so much stuff with this. Decorating. Maybe that's what I'll do in my next video. Create a little travel journal. Lovely. Love it. Love it. This is more papers, 60 pieces. Okay, that's clearly stated. 60 pieces of paper. And not only paper, we also have vellum. You see that? A lot of it is vellum and paper. Very, very vintage. More vellum. Seems to be an equal amount of vellum and paper. Love it. 60 pieces. So you have plenty to use and plenty to share. This is as vintage as it gets right here. Definitely as vintage as it gets. Okie dokie. What else we got? What is this? This is also life is only illusion, it says. Life is not a dream, destiny is held in our own hands. Okay. More paper. Just different size papers. Okay, this is also extremely old. I see things from Germany. I see Cairo, Egypt. All sorts of vintage papers. Stamps. Beautiful. Then we have a package of Find the Memory. I'm just going to open it. I think these are stickers. It's either stickers or paper. Let's see what it is. I'm going to have to, I'm going to have to take it out of this little container and put it into something I can use. Oh, very nice. Look at that, guys. We have stickers. This is all stickers, paper stickers. And it looks like they're in twos. So you have stickers here for days and days and days. So like say if you didn't like to stamp or didn't have stamps, here you go. This is exactly what a stamp could do for you if you stamped it and cut it out, but fortunately these are all stickers. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, there's more. There is more. We have a sticky note pad. I'm just gonna take it out of the wrapper. Gotta take it out of the wrapper, I'll never get to use it. Very nice. These are just as travel plan, sticky notes. They're all the same. Again, perfect for a travel journal. Then we have more stickers. So these stickers are rub-ons. Nope, these are stickers. Yeah, I don't believe they're rub-ons. Nope, they're stickers. They're totally stickers. Really pretty. They're all the same image. And last but not least, we have a paper pack of 24 sheets. It's of sticker paper, vellum, art paper, and pattern paper. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is regular paper. I'm going to go through each one. This is just regular paper, blank on the back. Ooh, I like that one. Put that in a journal. Nice. Now, does this repeat? Yeah. Okay. So we have two. All right. Now this is the paper. I get it now. This is definitely paper as well. It's just a little thicker than this. And it's the same pattern, just a little bit thicker. I did try to check to see if it was actually sticker paper. But it does have a little bit more thickness than this. This is a little thinner. Then we get into the vellum papers, same print. Beautiful. I'll make sure I'm in camera. This is all vellum. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is my favorite. This is my favorite one. And then this is the sticker paper. This I can tell is thicker. And as you can see, it is the sticker paper. All sticker. So you get 4 of the same print, thin paper, thicker paper, vellum, and sticker paper. Gorgeous. So that's 24 sheets. And that is the entire collection for the Vintage Travel Train series. We got the paper. We got these little stickers. We got these cute stickers that look like postage stamps. We got 2 washi tapes. A pad of paper that says travel plan. All right, this is kind of messy, but we got all these stickers right here. We got more pattern paper here. More pattern paper, vellum, and paper here. An entire booklet of maps, vintage maps, and all of these stickers. I mean, stamps. Tongue-tied here. Stamps. Lovely, lovely. House of Jane 10 will give you 10% off. And if you don't want to put in the code, you just click the link I'm going to put down below, and it's going to give you 10% off everything that you put in your cart. I want to thank Your Creative Studio for sending me this box for a review. It is absolutely fabulous. I love it. I'm going to do a little travel journal for my next video and do a flip through and show you guys. And I'm hopefully have that done this week to show you. All right, guys, it's been a pleasure, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.